Eating what's in season doesn't just save you money, it also gives your food an extra punch of flavour and nutrients.
So what should we be filling our trolleys with this summer? Well, here with all the answers, Sunrise nutritionist Sarah Di Lorenzo.
Hello.
Hi
Sarah.
guys, good morning.
So talk us through the fruit and veggies that are in season right now.
Well, summer seasonal produce is about foods that are really hydrating, but it's also foods really rich in vitamin A, great for skin, which makes sense in summer, so there's a lot of logic with seasonal eating. And then also vitamin C, great for immunity. Potassium, which we lose through sweating, so potassium-rich foods as well. Anti-inflammatory, antioxidant-rich. So what you will find is a lot of things like the stone fruits, so high in vitamin C, great for gut health, but heaps and heaps of berries, all different kinds of berries there, so cheap. And literally, when you walk into the supermarket, you are inundated by seasonal produce within the first 10 metres. So when I went in there to grab stuff for this, I was literally grabbing stuff straight away. So that's an easy way of knowing what's in season. But when it comes to vegetables, really high water content, like 92% water in all the leafy greens, same as in watermelon. Grapes, a great source of potassium. Bananas, excellent source of potassium as well. Anti-inflammatories with things like pineapple, avocado, eggplant's wonderful too. So as you can see, broccoli, capsicum, it's wonderful, it's delicious, but yeah, it's
Okay, we need to get it into our diet, don't we? Rather than just like munch on a bit of that.
You're not going to munch on that now?
No. So you're starting with a peach salsa.
So, but interestingly, people would normally do things, eat a peach, or they might use it for a dessert. Why not make it into a salsa?
Sarah, why not?
Why not? Why not?
Why not?
Yeah, I know.
Talk us through your creation.
So what I did, this is one of the rare occasions where I will remove the skin of a fruit, because normally I love skins in there because they're great for gut. Just got the peach, just diced it up, and I put in there some coriander, I've got chilli in there, a bit of balsamic, but as well, I put in a bit of maple syrup too. Some spring onions also in season as well. So, and peaches are the hero here. Again, a stone fruit. They've got the vitamin A, great for gut, and they've also got heaps of vitamin C. And then you could serve that with chicken and rice. You could have that as a feature on the table. You could have it done here like I've just done with these chips here on the side. Yeah. You're going to try it, Matt? Why not try it? Why not try it?
Talk us, while we're trying it, avocados. You've been creative with them also.
Well, I have done. Well, avocado is the absolute hero. There's some chilli in that. I hope you don't mind a bit of chilli. I know Matt's not partial
mine was
to a bit of
laden
chilli.
with chilli, so we'll see how that goes.
Okay, so this is something maybe you can wash that down with. But what I've got here is, whilst this looks decadent, delicious, and just so gorgeous.
This is health by stealth again, isn't it?
I was almost not going to tell you what was in here. This is full of fibre. It has got dates in there, and the key star is avocados, which are completely in season. Yeah, so this is an avocado. Would you ever know? I think I could fool...
Look, I'd have my suspicions, but that is very convincing.
It is convincing, isn't it?
That's actually good.
I know, it's so and it's so healthy, believe it or not. It's got like cacao, dark chocolate, some maple syrup in there, a little dash of milk.
That is
What
good.
is that?
We're both pretty happy with that, to be honest.
I'm really proud of
And
that.
we're both fussy.
I'm having a moment where
Has it got alcohol in it?
No, it doesn't. No. You might be able. It might be the date.
You're trying to will it into...
It's the date.
It's the date. The date.
Right.
You picked up dates, but you didn't pick up avocado.
No, and because we talked too much about the possible alcohol, we've left out the eggplant, but we're going to put that on our website.
Thank you, Sarah.
Thanks, guys.
We'll put all the details on the Sunrise website. In the meantime, with News Time, here's Eddie.